ready to bend reality and star as your own ensemble cast. Let's dive into creating mind-bending clone avatars in Veo 3. First, set up your shot. Place your phone on a tripod or stable surface. Frame your scene, leaving enough space for each of your clones to occupy distinct areas. Now, hit record. Perform your first action, acting as your first clone. Focus on one area of the frame. Once done, stop recording. Reposition yourself to a different area and record your second scene. Think about how your clones will interact or react to each other. Repeat the process for your third, fourth, or even fifth clone. The more clones, the more complex, but the cooler the final effect. Once you've recorded all your segments, open Veo 3 and import all of your clips. Make sure that the duration of all the clips are matching. Now comes the magic. Select your first clip and tap on the mask tool. Carefully draw a mask around your first clone, isolating them from the background. Feather the edges for a seamless blend. Repeat this masking process for each of your subsequent clips, ensuring each clone is cleanly separated. Adjust the positioning and size of each clone to create a believable scene. Play around with color grading to unify the overall look. Finally, export your masterpiece. Share your clone army with the world and prepare to amaze your audience. Experiment with different scenarios and actions for even more creative effects. Good luck and have fun.